What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to build the J42Kbm. Inside of every box is one of these PCBs. It has been pre-flashed with a VIO firmware, and all you have to do is just add the switches in. Included in every order is one ortho plate and one alpha plate. For this build, I'm going to be using the ortho plate. I will warn that you should be careful of the bottom edge of the plate, as that has been known to break. My normal strategy is to start by placing one switch in the corner of the plate and PCB. I use this to align the plate with the rest of the PCB. And then I place one in the opposite corner of the plate and PCB from the first one. It is very easy to accidentally push the plate all the way down against the PCB, which is not what you want. Utilizing a plate fork would make that significantly less likely to happen. This process gets significantly easier the more switches you have in the plate. I put the rest of the switches in off camera and I'm now working on the bottom row. I tend to work from the outside in, as otherwise the bottom edge of the plate can flex a little bit too much and it's sometimes difficult to get the switches to snap into that. It is very important to make sure that the switches actually snap into the plate and the plate doesn't just deflect. For this, I'm going with a 2x2U bottom row layout, as it is by far my most favorite. Once all the switches are in, it is time to move on to the case. You'll find the case at the bottom of the box. It is inside of 2 pouches of bubble wrap and then wrapped in paper. For this build, I've selected the purple case. No matter which color you got, the colors turned out absolutely fantastic, and I could not be more happy with the anodization. In every order is one unified Daughterboard and one JST cable. For this step, we're going to plug the JST cable into the Daughterboard. The connector does care about which way around it goes, however, each side of the cable is the same. Included in the kit are 8 M2 screws. Use 4 of them to screw the corners of the Daughterboard into the case. Due to the length of the JST cable, it is important to make sure that it knows how to lay flat inside of the milk channel. Put the JST connector at the little cutout on the right end of the channel, and then fold the cable back in on itself and push it down into the channel. This is to ensure that the PCB can lay flat. If the cable was too short, it would be very difficult to get the cable connected to the PCB. Next step is plugging the JST cable into the bottom of the PCB. In the video, I mistakenly tried to plug it in the wrong way around. Next, make sure that the cable is laying in the channel as you lower the PCB into place. There are 4 posts on the side of the case, and they should slot right between matching holes in the PCB. Use the remaining 4 screws to screw the plate into the case. For compatibility with past versions of the case, 2 additional holes were included in the plate. For this, you will only need to screw into the holes on the top edge and the sides, not the ones on the bottom edge. At this stage, I'm going to start putting keycaps on this board. You're welcome to wait to the very end after the rubber feet have been applied to put keycaps on. Flipping this board over, we can see that there are 4 spots on the bottom of the case for the rubber feet. The feet are already backed with adhesive, so peel it off and stick them into place. Now that all of the feet have been applied, I'm going to get rid of this paper and place it directly onto my table. I hope you all enjoy your board as much as I have enjoyed designing, producing, and then getting this board into y'all's hands. It has been a lot of fun and a pretty big learning experience. I cannot wait to see what you all build. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and as always, keep on making.